Hello friends, welcome back to the next module of the chapter Excretion and Osmoregulation. In this module, we are going to cover the difference between excretion and ingestion, and we will also see the function of kidneys. Now let's see what is the definition of excretion first. We have roughly defined the definition of excretion as expelling of nitrogenous waste products from the kidneys. Now let's see what is the proper definition of excretion. So excretion is defined as separation, that is the separation of the waste products from the blood inside our kidneys. Then the waste products is temporarily collected inside the urinary bladder, and then it is elimination of the metabolic waste products, and the metabolic waste products mainly comprise of the nitrogenous waste products. So basically three important processes are happening in excretion. Firstly, separation of the waste products from the blood, then temporarily collecting them, and then eliminating it. So we can sum up the definition as excretion is defined as separation, collection and elimination of metabolic waste products mainly comprising of nitrogenous waste products. That was the definition of excretion. Now let's see what is the difference between excretion and ingestion. Now basically this two process which happens inside our body mainly deals with removal of waste product, but there is a lot of difference between excretion and ingestion. Now excretion means elimination of waste product which has entered a cell or a cell membrane. Let's see an example. The best example for excretion would be our nephron, which is present in our kidney. So basically nephron deals with elimination of waste product or separation of waste product from our blood. So basically our blood is getting filtered inside the nephron. So the waste product is formed inside a cell called as nephron. Hence the urine which is formed through the nephron is called as a excretory waste. Now let's see what is ingestion. Ingestion means elimination of waste product to the cavity. So basically the fecus or the feces which is formed inside our intestine, that is the undigested food which doesn't passes through any cell, it is formed inside the cavity, that is called as ingestion. Now we have understood the difference between excretion and ingestion. Let's take a small quiz that you have really understood this. Now let's see. First we will see a waste, that is sweat. Now tell me friends, sweat is either an excretory waste or it is a ingestion waste. Basically sweat comes from your sweat glands. So the cells of the sweat glands produces sweat. So sweat will be a excretory waste. Urine, as I already told you, urine is formed in the nephron of the kidneys. So urine is also an excretory waste. The exhaled air. So basically the exhaled air comprising of water vapors and carbon dioxide, and that is also produced by your cells called as alveoli which are present in your lungs. So exhaled air is also a excretory waste, that is the feces. Now feces are formed inside your digestive cavity, your digestive tract. It is not formed in a cell. That's why it come under ingestion. So that was the difference of excretion and ingestion. So whatever waste is formed inside the cell is called an excretory waste, and whatever waste is formed inside or a cavity is called as a ingestion waste. That was the difference between excretion and ingestion. Basically, this chapter deals with excretion of the waste products, now which are excreted by your kidneys. So the primary excretory organ in our body are kidneys. So now let's see what are the basic functions of kidney. Now basically eliminating the nitrogenous waste, that is the first function of kidney. The second function is maintenance of salt and water balance through osmoregulation. That was the second function of kidney. The third function is the maintenance of hydrogen ion concentration, making your blood isotonic, that is isoionic, maintaining the pH of your blood. That's a very important function performed by the kidneys, and as well as maintaining the homeostasis. So that were the functions of your kidneys. So in this module, we discuss the difference between excretion and ingestion, and we also see the function of the kidneys. In the next module, we would be discussing about types of nitrogenous waste. That was all for this module, my friends. Till that time, take care.